Okay, so let's say we want to output not a square video, but something more suitable for stories or vertical screens on social media. So what we can do is edit the video in the Breeze Booth event editor to be more of a portrait orientation, and then update our video artwork to match that. So we'll jump into the Canva template first, and the link for that is down below. And what we want to do is we'll start with the square one here. So in Canva, you can use the magic switch button, and then you can say custom size, and it's going to create a new version of this in a different screen ratio. So we want to do it as 1080 by 1350, which is a good size for sort of portrait social media. So we'll just say continue to that. And it's just going to have a think for a second, and then we will say copy and resize. So it's going to make a new version of this file, and it's going to change the dimensions to 1080 by 1350. And we'll just go ahead and open that. So now we have that same video, but we've just changed the ratio of it. So this is a good thing about Canva. It's really easy to take one design and tweak it to be a different ratio altogether. So we'll just click down here in duration and just have a quick look and hit the play button. Make sure we're still happy with that, and it looks pretty good. Now, previously I'd set this to a minute 30, but I think that's a little bit long, so we're going to drag that back. And we're going to put it back to a minute. And then we'll go ahead and share that. We'll download it, and that'll take just a moment.
A few moments later.
Okay, so that's finished downloading, so we'll go ahead and grab that file. It's this one here, so video underscore audio guestbook 1080 by 1350. So we'll copy that. We'll come back up to Dropbox, apps, Breeze Booth, events, Steve's audio party portrait, and we'll paste that in here. Now what we need to do is just remove the old file and rename this to the correct file format, file naming, which is video underscore audio, audio underscore guestbook. So that's all we need to do. We don't need to change any other settings in Breeze, because when we're just doing an audio capture like this, the output will be whatever size this file is here, so 1080 by 1350. We do, however, need to go back into Breeze and just make sure, as always, when we add new assets, we hit that regenerate manifests button. So we'll do that and OK it, and we'll just make sure that Dropbox is up to date, which it is. So now we can come across to our iPad. We'll exit out of here, we'll update this event, and we'll download the new version of that audio guestbook file, and we'll run a message. Hang up. Now we can come up to the gallery up in the top right, and now we can see we've got the new layout there, which is the more portrait orientation compared to the previous ones, which was square. So there you go. So it's pretty easy to change the output of the audio guestbook videos just by creating a new video in any size that you want. And there really is no limitation. So you could make it tall and skinny, or wide and very chunky, whatever you like, it's up to you. So just change the video file, get that into the event editor and sync it across to your iPad, and you'll be good to go. Any questions, just jump into the comments and let me know.